Here, at the world's largest banknote paper factory, raw sheets begin their journey toward becoming secure currency. Inside the factory, skilled workers guide machines that turn pulp into the precise, high-grade paper used for secure notes.
These raw sheets are transformed into secure, currency-grade paper, embedded with intricate patterns and fibers for protection. Approved sheets are rolled into a single large reel, ready for the printing process. Each completed paper roll is sealed in protective plastic to maintain its quality before printing.
These protected rolls are stored in a secure warehouse, ready to enter the next stage of currency production. The protected paper rolls are securely loaded into containers for controlled transport to the printing section.
The loaded container arrives at the next secure factory.
At the new facility, the massive protected rolls are carefully unloaded to begin their next phase of transformation.
Our journey begins as raw paper sheets enter the complex, ready to become the foundation of currency.
Each sheet is meticulously inspected to ensure only flawless paper is used for printing secure currency.
The giant sheets are meticulously cut and sorted, ensuring every piece is perfectly aligned for the next stage. Before printing begins, every drop of ink is tested to ensure perfect color accuracy and stability.
With the materials approved, each sheet is positioned for its first pass through the printing system.
Once printed, the sheets are carefully transferred by automated systems to begin their next stage.
The printed sheets now move toward precision cutters that will divide them into exact individual units.
Each freshly cut note is stacked and compressed into flawless bundles of 100.
Each bundle is counted and verified by precision machinery to guarantee the correct 100-note standard.
Each 10-bundle unit is carefully sealed in protective plastic, safeguarding the notes for handling and storage.
Each bundle is carefully packaged, ready for secure storage and eventual distribution.
Plastic-wrapped bundles are then carefully grouped together, forming larger, organized units for transport.
Each stored bundle is meticulously logged into the inventory, ensuring every unit is accounted for.
Finally, the completed bundles are secured in lockers, ready for distribution under strict control. The completed bundles are carefully loaded into secure vehicles, ready for security. Armed personnel accompany the loaded vehicle, safeguarding every bundle on its journey.